This video presents the charting of the data gathered during the automatic script execution part of the scheduler control. Although this video is long, due to LinkedIn limitation for the video size, I will add caption only for a portion of the entire video in order for the final video size to be under 150 megabytes, which is the maximum limit for the video. If you remember the audit control, I took some control from the activity monitor control and modified to allow me to retrieve data from a SQL Server table in a database. Well, I took that control and modified it in order to make it suitable to work with data already in memory in my data table structures. For this new control, I had to add other controls in order to make it more user-friendly when it comes to its use. I added the option to retrieve last X rows, since depending on the script we execute might return a lot of rows for each execution. I added an filtering option, which allows to retrieve the records which were gathered between specific script execution timestamps. I added an option to disable the automatic redrawing of the chart whenever we might want to filter the rows or using the scroller to see specific displayed records. It might need adjustments or tweaks, for sure yes. You can see, if not already in this video, some of the issues I have with my charts when I don't have enough data points, and there is an improper scaling between device coordinates and world coordinates for my charts. I tried using ChatGPT to fix that, but for the time being I was not able to do it, which is why I am thinking, since in some cases the thickness of my lines is not appropriate, to introduce a control that will allow me to change at runtime the automatic thickness computed at runtime also. If you will stay long enough watching this video, you will see me how I commented some code in some user controls related to thickness. You might wonder why I have same code for charting data in 4 places, like single chart control, charts control, chart drawer control, and utils class. And the answer is that when I started developing the application, the charting was implemented only as part of charts control, which allows moving charts across the screen, resizing them, changing some of their properties, and so on. When I decided to use charting also as part of single chart, I had to remove some of the code to fit the new requirement, which is a single chart without resizing feature. When I decided to allow charting in other controls, I decided to move some of the code from charts control to another static class. The point is that although code is duplicating is not only by how the way application was developed, but also because those different places had different requirements and I wanted to keep them separated. For the remaining of the video, you will see me fixing some thickness for other controls in order to behave like the one in chart drawer.